Creating a user. Each Flex Text account comes with 3 concurrent users, but you may create as many users as you want. However, no more than 3 may be logged in at any one time unless your account has purchased more users. To create a user, simply click on the Users field in the left-hand column. Once you're in the Users tab, navigate to the right-hand side and click on Add User. The required fields for a user are their username, password, first name, and last name. The username should always be the user's email address. If you would like to receive notices of new inbound or neglected chats, then make sure the email and/or text icons are bold and these additional fields have been completed. External ID is used to link users to internal database systems such as a CRM. Max chats per user will restrict the number of active chats this user can receive at any given time. Flex Text has role-based permissions which will restrict access to administrative and system settings as well as certain functionality. Administrators have full access. Managers have full functionality access, but limited administrator access. And agents can be restricted to the functionality that is set up using the checkboxes seen here. Simply check the boxes you want a user to have access to, and leave the ones you don't want them to have access to blank, and the user won't have access to that functionality. Lastly, make sure you check the box of which group or groups that this user will be part of. A group is a telephone number. Think of a group as a business unit. Some businesses may have different numbers for sales, marketing, HR, and customer service. Once you apply a group or groups, click on Save and a new user will have been created.